with another restoration, man. My man's done fucked everybody bitching these Gucci slides. He done walked on every beach on earth with these. Today I'm gonna show y'all how to restore your Gucci slides to get them back in the game and get them back wearable, and show y'all how to make a little money. It's real easy, probably take an hour to fix. Let's get straight to it. First thing first, man, you already know we gotta get these boys a good cleaner. Unfortunately, the man's got some white Gucci slides. If he has some black ones, which I prefer y'all to buy, it'll make my job so much easier. But unfortunately, y'all wanna go with the white slide, so we gotta get these a deep cleaning because he's been through hell in these. Like I said, he walked on every beach on the planet Earth in these. So we get these boys a nice cleaning. They got all types of sand, mud, little doo-doo crust, sand dookie, whatever you wanna call it, it's in there. But a nice little cleaning gonna get these boys back right. If you watch my videos, you know what brush I'm using. I'm using the steel wire brush, man. This brush is perfect for the Gucci slides and soles and materials like this, man. It's gonna get deep inside them grooves and get all that sand and dirt and doodle, whatever's in there, it's gonna get it out. As you see, man, the cleaning made a major difference. Now knock the other one out. We gotta get the painting. Painting is the most important part. And of course, the most important part is the Gucci colors, man. You have to get it right, though. I be seeing a lot of y'all do it, but I don't feel like y'all doing it right. So I'm gonna give y'all the game, man, the recipe, man. When you're doing the green, mix a little bit of olive and a little bit of dark green. You can also use regular green too, but I say 75% olive, 25% green. You got your Gucci green right there. That's it. Mix it up. That's it. That's all. And when you're doing a red, man, 60% red, 40% varsity. Play with it a little bit. It's around that ratio, but these are colors I use every day. I've been using it for about 6-7 years now, but this is very close to the Gucci colors. And flat white for the straps only. Do not put white anywhere else but the Gucci strap. That's it. Don't put it on the sole. Don't put it on the foam material. Do not touch it. You already know every project got the prepping part that we all hate, but we gotta do, man. But this week is easy, y'all. Trust me. All you doing is getting a little nail polish remover and removing a little bit of the paint out. You don't have to get everything. You just want to see that white a little bit. And also get all them little dark marks and dirt spots that you couldn't get off with the cleaning because it's kind of absorbed inside the paint, if that makes sense. But fingernail polish remover and the cotton ball gonna do the trick. We about to knock on one of the major parts of the restoration, man. When I start painting, I like to use an angular brush to help me get in them little corners or little grooves close to the sole. And I like to start with the green first because the green is the easiest. All you need is about 2-3 coats, then you're good. Each section take about 2-3 minutes. After that, you all good. The green is real simple. Then you go to that red. And when you get to the red, man, red is gonna take about 4-5 coats, and be careful. Try not to touch that green or you're gonna be doing touch-ups again, but it shouldn't be no major problem. Like I said, 4-5 coats, you should be all good with the red. We almost done with this restoration, man. Now we gotta do the white. And when you're doing a white, man, the white's only gonna take about 1 or 2 coats at best, man. And be careful, try not to touch the green lines. Like I said, you're gonna be done touch-ups again. And like I said before in the beginning, do not put white nowhere else on this shoe but this strap. Because you put it on the foam material, it's gonna crack, it's gonna come off. You're painting the soles of the shoe. That's an ultimate no-no in restorations. When you're completely done with your repaint, touch-ups and all, get some Krylon matte finisher. You see how it's a little shiny? We don't want that. We want that natural store-bought look. You want that for all your customs and restorations. This is what we use right here. Krylon matte finisher. Give it a nice little shake. 1 or 2 sprays around the shoe, and you're all done. The shoe's gonna look natural and clean. Like I said, one of the easier restorations, man. It only take about 45 minutes to an hour. Once you get your little mixes all together, man. My record probably like 20 minutes. I'll be knocking these boys out since I do them almost every other day, man. It's like a specialty of mine. The people already know. But if you like the restoration, man, like and subscribe, man. I appreciate it, and I'm gonna come out with some more videos like always.